Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up ClickUp docs for project specs and links, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open ClickUp and log into your account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to create your project specs. On the left side, look for the docs option and click on it. In the docs section, select new doc to create a blank document. Give your document a clear title, such as Project Specs 4, project name. Begin by outlining the key project specifications. Use headings to organize different sections, like Overview, Goals, and Deliverables. In the Overview section, provide a brief summary. Clearly articulate the goals of the project in the Goals section. List all major deliverables expected from the project. If you have specific timelines, create a section for them. Next, insert links to any relevant resources or documents. To add a link, highlight the text you want to hyperlink. Click on the link icon in the toolbar. Paste the URL in the pop-up and click Apply. Organize your document with bullet points for easy readability. Use tables if you need to present data clearly. If team members need to contribute, share the document with them. Click on the Share button in the top right corner. Choose permissions for each team member as needed. Review the document for clarity and completeness. Once finalized, communicate the document's location to your team. Make sure to regularly update the document as the project progresses. Utilize comments for real-time feedback and collaboration. Keep your document accessible for ongoing reference throughout the project. This will ensure everyone stays aligned and informed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.